All I know is there's no other song that I need to hear than this one right now to start striking.
A little Whitney
Because all I want to do is dance with somebody. It's players time, baby.
Whenever you get down on the terrace and being screened.
Fuck. Can't stop splitting. It's tough when I split like 3 times a game. Got 3 more games to go. Gotta stay positive. Gotta keep trying to make good shots and keep trying to figure out the lanes because they're tough for me. Some early hook I'm battling and I don't know whether I should use it or try and fight my ball through it. So 3 more games, hopefully good ones. And we'll see how this block finishes out strong.
How we bowling, Pack?
I just gave him the talk. I said, listen.
Yeah?
Listen. I need to split less. If I split less, I'd be bowling awesome. But I just can't stop splitting. My ball's hooking really early, and I have to decide whether I want to use it and let it hook early, and move away from it and feed it into the early hook, or completely try and like fire it, throw it hard, keep it in front of me, and try and miss the early friction. And I'm deciding to use it. It worked well at the end of last game. I just threw a shot that wasn't great. When I use it, I have to make sure my hand is so consistent at the bottom. So I'm gonna try and use it this game.
I'm using it. I can't strike.
I'm using it.
I'm shooting 2-0 every game.
I can strike
the hard way.
I'm striking, but my misses are bad.
I can't get them through the pins. I don't have a 3-bagger yet, and I
missed the
hole once a game.
It's not like my misses reach my line and then hook, or like don't hook. They just don't get there.
Offline.
Like I want it to get to 6, 7, 8 down lane, and it's getting to like 11 and then hooking early at like 30 feet. And I want it to get there at like 35 feet.
Yeah, it gets offline too quick. Yeah, they are hooking in the fronts, but they're way tighter this year than they were last. I just want to see my ball hook from everywhere, you know?
If it just hooks every time, that's what we're looking for.
I know, right?
And
let's go! What do you think, Pack?
Could have gone worse, that's for sure. It was going worse.
It got better. You went 100 over the last two.
100 over the last two. Let's just
So did I, and we did it in very different ways.
start 100 over the first two. How about
Yeah, that'd be great. So much bowling left, so we're just gonna keep grinding away. I'm 126 over. Packy is
75,
75.
something like that.
He's probably like 100 out of the show. I'm about 40 out of the show. So much bowling left. One game at a time, you know, everyone says it. but
We mean it. Everyone says it, but
we have
mean
20.
it.
We have 21 games left. We got so much bowling left. So stay tuned.
I need to throw better shots, and I need those good shots to strike more. I'm not splitting this round, which is good, so got 2 clean games, hoping to keep that up and just tweak my hand a little bit here and there to get more strikes and line up earlier on these pairs. So we got 5 more games to go, plenty of time this set. Got to keep throwing good shots and keeping that stable hand at the bottom. 250, 270, or 250, 260. So 2 good games in a row. Got to keep that up. 267 last game with a lot of strikes, a lot of good shots. I got to keep that up. This lane's a little tighter and move a little left and make the adjustment. .205 last game. Had a split, made some moves late in the game that just weren't quite it. So I got to make some good shots here. It's the last game, and really make sure I stay down and make some good ones. Because if I don't, the score's not going to be good. Forgot to do an outro, but anyways, this is how I would have looked yesterday because it is way, way, way too late. 14 games is a ton. A lot of this going on, a lot of thinking, and I didn't like that. So I'm going to fall asleep, and I will see you guys tomorrow or Wednesday on the vlog for Players Championship day number 2.